Sorting out a pile of messy straps after the job is done isn't something anyone wants to do. Now you could throw them in the back seat and say you'll get to it later, but how long do they actually sit there? What if I told you you didn't have to do that ever again, but instead it could be as quick as this? Let's dive in. Today's video is sponsored by Juggernaut Designs. They sent me a full set of their universal retractable ratchet straps. Say that 10 times fast. And I gotta say, I've been using these for all about 10 minutes. My life has changed. And guys, don't forget about the giveaway I got going on right now. Every $5 you spend on merch, or maybe even just $5 on one digital entry, could get you this whole turbo kit, including the GT35, blow-off valve, intercooler, heat shield, the works. Check out the link below. First and foremost, these things are made in the US of A, and they're built tough. These things fully swivel in any direction you could possibly need them to. And the installation is super easy, and I say it's universal because if you have a truck with a D-loop like I do here, it fits. And if I'm not mistaken, almost every truck on the road these days has at least 2 of these universal D-loops. It also comes with an anchor point, so you don't lose that anchor point when you're installing these. And of course, they are fully retractable, and man, that saves a lot of time. Now these things have a 400-pound working load and 1,200-pound brake strength. And I got a few ideas to test that, but real quick, let me show you how to install them. First step is to get the base plate aligned in the direction that you need. In this case, I got the anchor facing inboard. Then you get the actual unit, and you get the flat side to mate up with that base plate. Then grab the actual anchor pin. There's a detent that faces inboard of the truck or against the D-loop. And you get that locking pin, you kind of hold it back there while you get the hardware screwed in. It can be a little tricky, but once you got them started after that, all you gotta do is crank them down. Now the great thing about these is they can adjust in any different direction that you need, up, down, left, right, so you can secure whatever it is you're trying to haul. And of course, they're fully retractable. They also sell these sweet covers in case you don't have a bed cover like I do. They'll be exposed to the elements to keep them nice and safe. Now remember how I said the absolute brake strength was 1,200 pounds? This tractor weighs roughly 2,000 pounds as it sits. So if I hook up 2 of these, I should be able to pull it. Let's give it a shot. All right, now, I don't know what's gonna happen, and honestly, I can't really see, so you tell me if they break or not. That's pretty good. Not bad at all. So if you got like a little piece of equipment stuck, and all you got are these ratchet straps, you can get it out. Now, a whole vehicle or a whole car, I don't know about all that, but that's definitely not the proper use of ratchet straps anyway. Then of course, the best part, pick this up, throw it on there, pick this up, throw it on there, come over here, hit this little button. Oh, well, we got a little tangle around the bedside there. Boom. There we go. Now that's what I'm talking about. And check out the link below for a discount on these sweet retractable ratchet straps from Juggernaut Designs. And of course, use code DIG10 for 10% off. All right, now 2 did it, and I pretty much expected that. What about just 1? Let's see how tough these things really are. Oh yeah. Whoa, what was that? Okay, we're good. I think it just slipped off from me going back and forth, but it did pull it. So hey, I might say 1,200 pound brake strength, but could do a little bit more. Oh. Well, I spoke too soon. I spoke a little too soon. Check this out. So it wasn't the strap that failed, but the D-hoop behind it. I don't know if you can really tell. This is kind of angled this way, and this one's sitting flat. So it's not the strap that'll fail, it's your truck. Yeah, see how that one's kind of facing me, as where this one is facing inboard of the truck. And I'm talking about the base here, not the actual strap. See how it's facing inboard? This one's kind of facing me. That's because the actual D-loop bent. I guess just a testament to how tough these Juggernaut design straps really are. Dodge D-loops though, could use some work.